Hi guys, I'm so excited to announce our new Maximalist Bright collection, which we've collaborated with the amazing Yinka Illori. This collection is all about bringing power and colour and happiness into our homes, because I know we've all been lacking that the last year. So it's all about turning it up and bringing this sort of happy energy back into our homes again. Holy smokes, this is cool! Oh my god, guys! It's epic, isn't it? Do you know what I love so much about this is you have honestly taken all the colours from the design and you've put them on the walls, and actually the bed, you're looking and you're getting transported with this. Like, it just feels so tropical. I mean, you're gonna have a great time in this room. That's for sure. Do you know what? I'm so pleased that the green is actually the dominant colour in this room. That colour we produced because we wanted to make it this palette that had this playfulness, this joy to it, but the green is the grounding colour to sort of help you connect to nature. What I love is actually we've gone on the walls and onto the ceiling, because actually if this ceiling was white, you'd straight away be drawn to that ceiling. So I love the fact that the colour is all wrapped around and you're properly immersing yourself in the joy that this room brings you. Oh, and actually this is incredible. So actually going with the yellow woodwork and then following it with your eye within the yellow quilt, going out into the window, and your view, that is just the most amazing view with the Tate Modern. And you get to immerse yourself in art. So actually being able to sit here with your cup of coffee and looking at the Tate Modern, framed by that beautiful yellow, it sort of brings an energy into it. Please come look at the bathroom. This is a little bit of me. I love it. I love everything about it. And do you know what I love again is I tell so many people to go bold in smaller spaces. And this is the best example of why you should do that. It's like the perfect wake up as well. It's like you're surrounding yourself with like positivity. This color is going to make you feel awake. It's, you know, it's a stimulating red. It's a hot pink, and it's to give you that boost of energy in the morning. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a little bit of me. God, if I actually really need to redo my bedroom, look at this. This is the lilac, isn't it? This is purple 04. Oh, do you know what? This is a colour to just sleep in. Who doesn't want to wake up amongst this beautiful colour? It's not dark, it's not heavy. You feel refreshed, but you also feel cozy. And actually paired with this wallpaper in this tiny little walkway, it just really, do you know what I mean? The reflection of the mirror, it's so clever. It's just brought the whole space together. Oh my God, how amazing is this room? The wallpapers demonstrate how all the colors work together. So why can't you go bold and then go ceiling in one color, woodwork in another, walls in another? It's proof it works, and it works beautifully. Oh my God, do you know what I love about these colors is, yes, when you look at that palette, you think bright. You know, it's very bold, it's very daring. But what's amazing is by using it in so many clever ways, of which this palette has been done in this room, by doing the purple ceiling, the blue, it has completely maximalized the space, and it's really opened up the room. And it's incredible how your eye travels and none of it jars. It flows beautifully from color to color, because actually this palette all sits on the same color family. And you know, this room is not massive, and what I love about it is every little corner of this room has been utilized and has been made to feel special, which actually just completely opens up the space.